Okay, guys and gals, we back out here on the big lake again. What I call the big pond. But anyway, we're gonna try them again this afternoon. They said that hurricane's coming in, and a lot of times when the weather changes, you're able to catch a few fish. So we're gonna try them out again this afternoon. Y'all hang in there with us. We'll be right back. Okay, guys. I think I snagged something here. I think I did. Come up here, buddy. Come on here, buddy. Yeah, I did. A nice little eating bass. Okay. There wasn't messing around like that, look like. Let's see if he'll come out and grab that. It could have been a brown there. I think I got one. I believe I am. I got something, guys. I got something, guys. He's gonna take me for a ride. Uh-oh. I won't ever get him out of there, I don't reckon. Alright. Come on in. Come on out of that fence. Let's see what you look like, young buddy. Get out from under there. Let's see what you look like, young buddy. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. Now we're talking, guys. And gals, he done spit out a fish in there. Let's see. All right. All right, guys, I got him unhooked there. We're gonna see what he weighs. And he weighs, get where you can see him, 3.26 pounds. I think that's, if I read that right, I think that's 3 1/4 pounds. It's a nice one. Yeah, he is. All right, guys. Yes, that is a nice fish there. Yes, he is. We're gonna turn him loose. Let him go back. Go back, buddy. Oop, oop, oop. Again, guys. I think I got one. I think I got one. Come here, big boy. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that, guys. Come here, big boy. Get this anchor down there, right there, so I won't get in them trees. Come here, big boy. Oh yeah. All right, now we're talking. Look at that, guys. Wow. I believe that one's gonna be bigger than that other one that I had. Let's see if we can get this hook out of his goodle. There we go. Got it right out of there. Let's see. Let me get this thing out of him. We're gonna weigh him. I believe he's bigger than the other one. I believe he is. I believe this is a 4-pounder. All right, let's see what you got here, boy. Look at that. 3.26 pounds, same as that other one. You reckon that joker followed me around? All right, guys. That is a nice fish. Fat as a butter bone. Look at that belly on him. All right, we're gonna let him go back. He gone. Okay, guys. I think I hung me another one. There it is. Nice little eating bass. Come here, boy. Getting late right here. You a bit late. I'm just fixing to go to the house. Now, where you hooked? You're hooked in your goozle. There we go. All right. Uh-oh, guys. I got nothing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on in here, guys. Come on in here, buddy. Oh yeah. Come on in here, buddy. Ah, look at that. Whew. Okay, that one ought to make me a mess. Get this hook out of here. Get you unhooked there. Alrighty. Okay, guys. A nice eating bass. About 1.5 pounds, maybe 2 pounds. Okay. Let's see. Let me give you one more look at him. He's a nice one. All right. Okay, guys and gals, as bad as I hate to, it's getting to be nighttime here, and I got to get out of here. Zebco paid off again today. Thank you, Jesus. All right, let's see if I can. All right, I have enjoyed another day catching these bass. Anytime you can catch bass, that's a good day. Any day on the lake's a good day, whether you catch one or not. I'll put it that way. And I've had a good time. Hopefully that storm that's coming in here, I think tomorrow sometime, I've got to take my wife to the doctor in Savannah, so I'm hoping that all this rain and stuff's coming in, that we can get there and get back safe. But anyway, this is old Woody. You know the routine. I appreciate y'all coming along with me. We're kicking out.